I'm so glad we could get the whole gang back together. Just a couple old...
Let me see the instructions.
Bowie.
Let me see the instructions.
Bowie.
I want to read them.
Let's get started. Helpful hints. Read before... Okay, I mean...
We're not using these.
You're screwing us over.
We're not using these.
We need these.
We're not using
Look at the
these
numbers on the
instructions.
wood.
What do you think of those instructions, man?
Don't do it.
Oh, please.
Don't do it. Oh, you're gonna destroy our... Oh my gosh. This guy's actually ripping the instructions. I don't know what he's doing. We're not gonna be able to build it. What are you doing?
Come on. We don't need those.
It's this tall.
That's it?
Yes.
So then why would dowels go in here?
I don't know. That's what it says. Look at it. You ripped it. Look at
It
it.
doesn't make any sense. Dowels wouldn't go in here. Nothing.
That's
goes on
what
top.
it says.
Which one's the top?
Look at it.
Looking for four holes here. I got
Hey.
it. It's on top.
Take a game.
Well, if you just look at the directions.
Why would I read the directions?
Before me. Okay. I think we should go in. I think we should follow the directions, Billy. Before me. Okay.
7 is the top piece.
Okay, but I don't want. Okay, 4 are those things. Back panels. This is.
Where's the back panel at?
Got one's up there, one's working out right here. What are you doing?
You have to
Wait,
insert that.
What are you doing?
Why would we not
Alright,
put a back panel
stop
on?
yelling. Oh, this one goes on the top, I guess. You should quit making those noises.
Picture.
Wait, these
This
back-
doesn't help me at all.
Before me. Okay.
I'll do this size longer. Look at that. They just need a little bit of messing here.
Dirty dirt. Well, you see what's worrying me about this is that there are other holes that you guys are covering by putting these in.
Yeah,
Like
guys,
screw holes or
holes.
something.
Yeah, what's the first step? Is that the first step?
No, the first step is to put the dowels in.
Guess
That's
what
the
second
second
step
step.
Read the second step, man.
Step
read?
2, insert the minifix nut with the cross arrow.
Just look at the picture. Don't read off the weird ass
Yeah.
words.
Can we not lose any dowels? I'm pretty sure they wouldn't have put any extra.
There goes another dowel.
That's an engineer at work right here.
Read the instructions. School couldn't even teach him how to build a dresser.
Flat shaped right.
Wow.
What are these dowels supposed to go on?
Which one?
I think it's stupid sticker on. It's almost the direction of all dowels.
Screw just doesn't want to go in for me.
You like this dresser?
No.
You like this dresser?
Alexa, if you're watching this, I love you very much, sweetheart. Can't wait to see you again.
How's it going over here?
Not good,
It
man.
doesn't look like it, I tell you that much. I hope the hoes watch this video. They're gonna watch this.
What's going on?
Yeah, I work with my mind, not my body. Lily's a lady of the night.
What?
does that mean?
Hey, watch this elbow here.
Watch this thing.
See, guys, you gotta get the legs working when you're doing this.
See this? Ah.
I don't want to strip them out.
Dude, stop stripping, dude.
Sorry, I'm just a good stripper.
What's that elbow?
His elbows are always in the way.
Why do you screw like a fucking girl? On such an angle.
Well,
Why
that
do you
is
screw
true.
them in the right place? I haven't had a problem. Look at the angle here. Get closer on the angle.
Sure.
Oh, you can't see from there, huh? A little bit of an angle. He's not happy.
It actually doesn't screw in at all.
The middle one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't hurt. What the heck?
What the heck, man?
Oh.
For what? Gonna need some help
It's gonna be hard to line up all these dowels on this side.
Good form. Good form.
Chad, who's got the best form?
Come in the. I like that one.
What about this one?
Oh, I like this one. A little wobbly. A little wobbly.
Fine.
Let's make it a little bit tougher.
Here it comes.
Oh, let's use this one.
I just got one left.
You guys don't tighten down your screws, so I mean, it's not really fair competition.
It was pretty tight. Pretty tight.
That's more for you?
I don't know if I like this one.
Is this some sort of one? Why is this closed up? Reading so hard for. Don't do cardio? You said you don't like the strip.
Alexa, if you're watching this, thank you so much for the
Yeah, I
dresser.
think that's one video.
Put that in the video.
This dresser sucks ass.
We did some grinding off stream. Check out the big reveal.
Open a drawer for him.
Here we go. Now he wants to make content. This guy's doing his damn job. His entire life. Never seen it before.